In this experience, we'll walk through Egen Intelligent Manufacturing RFP. As a proposal manager, your goal is to quickly collaborate on and submit winning proposals. Your workflow starts here on the dashboard, which gives a centralized view of all active RFPs. The key feature is the AI match percentage. It has already analyzed each RFP to score its alignment with core capabilities, allowing you to instantly prioritize the bids you are most likely to win. When a new RFP comes in, you simply upload the document. The AI then gets to work, automatically parsing the entire file. As you can see on the left side of the workspace, the AI has broken down a complex PDF into a structured checklist of specific requirements, which eliminates hours of reading. Now, for each requirement, the AI provides intelligent assistance by drafting responses and aligning them with your capabilities. The Capability Match tab automatically surfaces the most relevant content from your internal knowledge base, including product, SKUs, technical data, and even content from previous winning proposals. It can then draft a response for each section in the proposal editor. If you need expert input, switch to the SME tab, where you can assign a question directly to the relevant teams, such as engineering or legal, keeping all communications centralized. Once the draft is complete, run a final review. The AI automatically scans the entire proposal and generates a compliance review summary. It flags any deviations from standard terms like payment or delivery timelines, ensuring every proposal is compliant before it goes out the door. From here, you can export the final document and submit it to the client. So, we've just moved from a raw RFP document to a compliant, well-researched and ready to submit proposal in a fraction of the usual time. This empowers the bid team to focus more on strategy and less on administrative work, leading to faster turnarounds and higher win rates.